So, welcome to this week's video. I forgot the right adapter for my lovely mic at home. It's raining outside, so maybe half of the video will be me at home talking about a different topic than right now. And here's my assistant for today, and we switch things a little bit up. Let's go. My first tip is get a dog. Maybe you have a dog, maybe a friend has a dog, or you go out and adopt a dog from your local shelter. So here's our first test shot of Clumsy sitting there beautifully. My second tip is obedience. Get a dog which knows at least some basic commands like sit, lay down, here, or simply wait. Here we have another nice scenery, but with some in the foreground to create some depth. My third tip is always reward the dog. He or she is your model, so tell him or her that she does a great job. With treats, with a ball, which the dog prefers. A really nice scenery, looking mystique. Especially what you see here. We have the light coming from here, hitting his nice face. He is sitting there on his throne, looking majestic. Oh, nice position, Snooty. Talking about lenses, I used a Canon RF 50mm f1.8. Especially the aperture is important. You wanna have a wide aperture like 1.8, 2.8 to get a really nice bokeh, a soft background, but a sharp subject. So here we have a nice profile shot coming with some light from the right hand side. Really beautiful. And my fifth tip is shutter speed. You should use a shutter speed like 1/125th of a second or faster. Here in the image you see the picture is quite unsharp because it's still a dog. He's moving a lot. So to capture movement, use like a 100th second or faster. Better, faster. So we found this tree, and we will try to get some decent shots there. So this is looking very good. We have some straight lines here, so we're gonna take some vertical photos. So these 5 simple tips. What was this? So, 5 tips for you to take better photos of your dog, or if you're a beginner and start taking photos of your dog. Yeah, some things will maybe change in the future. I got quite comfortable in this room right now, maybe I have the chance to get another studio room more in the future. As you see, I cut my hair to look better on camera, and yes, this was this week's video.